In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Ticketmaster, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have PayPal saved to your Ticketmaster account so you can check out faster and keep your payment details secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Ticketmaster.com. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your country, since payment options can vary. If you're not already signed in, look toward the top right and select My Account to log in. Using your own secure network and an up-to-date browser can help avoid issues during sign-in and payment setup. Once you're signed in, go to My Account again and choose My Profile. This is where you manage your personal details and payment options. Take a quick moment to confirm your profile information is correct, including your billing country, because mismatches between your Ticketmaster region and your PayPal country can cause payment errors later. Inside your profile, find the option that says Save New Payment Method. This is the hub for adding cards and digital wallets. Click it to open the list of supported methods. From the available options, choose PayPal. When you select PayPal, you may be redirected to a secure PayPal window or tab. If nothing opens, temporarily allow pop-ups for Ticketmaster so the PayPal sign-in can appear. Sign into your PayPal account as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, have your device ready. You may be asked to confirm which funding source to use in PayPal, such as your balance or a linked card. Review the connection details, then approve the link so Ticketmaster can use PayPal as a saved payment method. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a code. This is a security step to verify it's really you. The code might come from PayPal, your authenticator app, text message, or email, depending on your security settings. Retrieve the code promptly, enter it exactly as shown, and submit. If it doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check your spam or filtered messages, and request a new code if necessary. After successful verification, you should see PayPal listed in your saved payment methods within your Ticketmaster profile. Some accounts let you set a default payment method here. If that option appears and you plan to use PayPal most often, set it now. Going forward, when you're buying tickets, you'll be able to select PayPal at checkout and complete your purchase without re-entering payment details. If you ever encounter an error, double check your region, your PayPal funding source, and any ad or pop-up blockers, then try again. That's it, your PayPal is now linked to Ticketmaster and ready for your next purchase.